This is Captain Jack's dead bug made by Bonide. I bought this spray specifically to kill spider mites and squash vine borers, but it also kills caterpillars, codling moths, gypsy moths, loopers, leaf miners, spider mites, tent caterpillars, thrips, and more. You can also see a little picture of all the little insects that it kills, and it's ready for use. On the back, there is an information pullout for more specific instructions and information on the product. But in general, on the back, it has information. You can use it on fruit, vegetables, berries, citrus, grapes, nuts, and ornamentals. Again, it goes over what it can kill, which is thrips, spider mites, leaf-feeding beetles, sawfly larvae, and other listed insects. It also states it's for control of foliage-feeding worms, thrips, and other listed pests on roses, flowers, and other outdoor ornamentals. I don't know if you can see, but I'm having issue with spider mites on my indoor plants, so I'm getting ready to spray it. Like I said, it's ready to use, so all you do is point and spray. And cover the leaves. Make sure you're doing this outdoors. I'm in the garden room, so it's a lot of ventilation in here. And that's it.